Long ago, there was a young man who was honest, gentle, and hardworking. Everyone at his office trusted him because he always did his job well. He came from a simple family, and his small income was just enough to meet daily needs. But one month, life turned difficult. His father became seriously ill, and the hospital bills grew higher each day. He tried to borrow money, but no one could help him. Then, one night, temptation crept in. He noticed some office cash that had to be deposited the next morning. He thought, "It's only a loan. I'll return it soon. No one will find out." That night, for the first time, he took something that wasn't his. A week passed. He planned to replace it soon, but his father's condition worsened and the money remained unpaid. Then one afternoon, his manager called a meeting. Some cash was missing. When asked, "Do you know anything about it?" his heart raced. Fear silenced honesty. He replied, "No, sir, I don't." That one lie, born from worry and helplessness, changed his life. A quiet investigation followed. Within days, the truth surfaced. The record showed his code was used in the transaction. He was called to the manager's office, the same place where people once admired him. Now, the room was heavy with silence. The manager didn't shout. He simply said, "Why didn't you tell the truth? We could have supported you." Tears filled the young man's eyes. He whispered, "I just wanted to help my father." The manager sighed and said, "You lost something more valuable than money, our trust." That evening, he returned home feeling shattered. He sat near his father and cried quietly, not blaming anyone but himself. Later, he worked hard to repay every bit of the money, yet the guilt stayed. It took him years to rebuild his name, but the memory of that night never left him. He often told others, "Don't lie, even if the truth hurts. The pain of honesty fades, but the guilt of a lie never does." The story teaches that honesty is one of the greatest treasures a person can possess, and once it is lost, it takes years of effort to earn it back. The young man's mistake was not born from greed, but from fear and helplessness. In his desperate attempt to help his father, he chose a wrong path, believing that one small lie could solve everything. But lies, no matter how small or well-intentioned, always lead to pain. His silence and dishonesty destroyed the trust that others had in him, something far more valuable than money. Through his suffering, he learned that truth may cause short-term pain, but lies create long-term scars. The story reminds us that even in our darkest moments, choosing honesty is the only way to protect our integrity and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching.